Good morning, students of class 10. Welcome back to the online classes now. Let's continue our lesson in English, A Triumph of Surgery. Here, the whole story is about the dog, a little dog named Tricky. So, here, Mrs. Pumphrey, a multimillionaire lady, she had no children and she kept her dog as a pet, and its name is Tricky. And here is another person, the writer, Mr. Harriot, the narrator. Now he is a veterinary doctor. So far we have learned that Tricky was very sick because of his greed for food, and he never refused food. And Mrs. Pumphrey thought that he is getting weak, so she used to overfeed him in between meals. And Mr. Harriot expected a call, and the expected call came, and he went with his car. And and in the car, Mr. Harriot said that he needs to be hospitalized for at least a fortnight, for 15 days. And Mrs. Pumphrey was almost fainted soon. She started crying because she cannot stay without her pet. She had never left him, even for a minute. And as the writer put the dog inside the car, his car, the servants started bringing various kinds of things such as day bedding, night bedding, breakfast bowl, lunch bowl, dinner bowl, toys, cushions, rubber rings, and many more. After that, let's see now, number one, coming to know that his car, means Harriot's car, doctor's car, his car would never hold all the stuff, all the things. The car is getting full and they are bringing some more. So realizing that his car would not hold all the things, he started to drive away. Mr. Harriot started his engine, car, and drive away. Mrs. Pumphrey, with a cry, she cried and threw an armful of little coals through the window of the car. So now, number two, he looked into the mirror before turning the corner. Mr. Harriot looked into the mirror, and he saw that everybody was in tears. He saw that Mrs. Pumphrey was crying, even the servants were crying. So he saw everybody was in tears. Number three, out on the road, he glanced at the pathetic means very pitiful little dog gasping for air. He found it very difficult to breathe as he was too fat. The dog was very much, hugely fat, so he found it very difficult to breathe also. The writer, while driving his car, he looked at the dog, and the dog was gasping, trying to breathe, but he found it very difficult. He patted on its head, the writer, while driving his car, he patted on its head. And number four, Tricky made a brave effort. He tried very hard to wag its tail. Wag means to shake the tail. Tricky found it very difficult to wag the tail. This shows that how fat he was. Not B. Mr. Harriot said, "You have no energy. It seems that you have no energy to wag your tail also. But I know a cure for you. You need a good cure." So, at the surgery, he reached his clinic, the surgery. At the surgery, the household dogs, there were many other dogs who were brought there for treatment. At the surgery, the household dogs surged around him, around the writer. Surged means gathered. All the dogs came around and surrounded Mr. Harrier because there was something in his arms. So other dogs thought that he must have brought some food. That's why all the dogs came around and surrounded him, surged around him. Tricky looked down at the noisy pack. Pack means group. Tricky looked at those pack of dogs. When Mr. Harrier put him down, on the carpet, he lay down motionless. The dog Tricky did not move. When he put down Tricky on the carpet, he lay motionless without moving. Other dogs, they came and sniffed him. That's called sniffing, smell. For a few seconds, all the dogs sniffed him and Tricky was motionless. All the dogs sniffed him, sniff means smell, for a few seconds and all the dogs decided that he was an uninteresting object. Other dogs thought that this is useless, uninteresting object, and they ignored him and went to play. Other dogs ignored him, left him there, and all the dogs went to play around. So even the dogs refused him. The dogs did not want to play with this dog because he was listless, without energy, and hugely fat, without motion, without movement. So other dogs, they smelled at him for a few seconds and left him there, ignored him, because they thought that this is unimportant thing, unimportant object. So in our next class we'll continue what happens after that, how he gets well, how Mr. Harrier treats him. So we'll talk about that in our next class. Thank you very much for watching the video. Stay safe, go through online portal regularly so that you will not miss the class, so that it becomes very clear, so that you can understand. So this much for today. We'll meet in the next class. Thank you for watching.